my name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today we're going to make teriyaki beef and noodle stir fry. I'm using vermicelli noodles. This is the package that I'm using, but I'm only using half of the package, about 8 ounces of noodles. Inside the package, you'll see about 8 bundles of noodles like this, and I'm only using 4. That's half of the package. And then I'm gonna soak this in water until they're softened, and then I'm gonna drain it and cut it, and that's what we're gonna use for our teriyaki beef and noodle stir fry. We're gonna also make some marinade and sauce for the stir fry. So let's go ahead. I'm going to soak this in water first. Soak the noodles for about 20-30 minutes. For the meantime, let's cut our bell pepper, the seed, and cut it into strips. Slice 1 onion. Mince 3 garlic cloves. Mince an inch-sized ginger. Slice 4 stalks of green onions. Now here's a tender cut beef. Now you're gonna cut them against the grain, and that helps tenderize the meat. And we're gonna cut the beef for about a 1/4 inch thick. And now we're ready to marinate. Soy sauce, rice vinegar, cornstarch makes it glossy, and baking soda also helps the meat tenderize. Use your hands and toss them. Now we're only going to marinate the meat for a short time, about 10-15 minutes. For the meantime, let's make our sauce. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice vinegar, brown sugar, and a little bit of sesame oil. Now stir to combine. Now cut the noodles. Now heat the pan with oil. I use wooden spoon to test the heat. If you see bubbles, then it's ready. Now add the meat and then sear it and get that nice browning for about a minute on each side. And then remove them from the heat and set them aside. Use the same pan. Add the onion and saute until tender. Add the garlic and ginger. Add the bell pepper, continue sauteing. Add the beef back into the pan. Add the sauce. Add the noodles. Stir to combine. Now sprinkle the green onions and some sesame seeds. So, okay, my lovelies, the noodles, the teriyaki beef noodles is done. And now it's the fun part, which is the tasting part. And she is going to taste it right now. Now, there you go. And then you tell me how it is. You want some napkins? Okay, so apparently she couldn't talk and she really liked it. Like it? Yeah? Is it good? All right. So we have an approval here that the flavors are really amazing. And this is really simple and easy to make. Even my pet dog is right here, Lab. My Lab is right here. And we are all enjoying this. That really nice, the sauce with combination of soy sauce, oyster sauce, always marries together. And then we marinate the beef, which is we tenderize it with some cornstarch, baking soda, and some vinegar, and that's also the main thing to tenderize your beef. And then we cut it against the grain and another way to make the tender really nice and tender and glossy, and really when you bite into it, you enjoy it. Okay, my lovelies, if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video and have a wonderful day. And also one thing more, if you need any more recipes, just head on to my website, leanbellaskitchen.com. Thank you again for being here. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. We're gonna see you next time again. Bye for now.